happy new week and welcome back to my channel for another CVS deals video. Thanks for joining me once again, and this is a brand new ad and we have some deals going on. Make sure you're scanning the items on your phone to see what coupons or CRTs you have that will help with the deal. Everyone received a 5 off 20 personal cleansing product CRT, and I put together a deal with this CRT, so keep watching and see how it works. And if you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. If you need a copy of all the deals I shared in this video, check my description box. There is a link to a Google Doc where you can find them. And let's go find some deals. My first deal is on the 1 count Nivea lip care. They're on sale for $2.99, and when you buy one, you get $1 back. Pick up one, pay $2.99, and you get $1 back, making it $1.99. The next deal I have is on Select General Milk cereal. They're on sale for $1.99, and it's not giving back any extra care box. Pick up 2 Honey Nut Cheerios, and both will total $3.98. Use $1 off 2 digital coupon, and you pay $2.98. Then you submit your receipt to Ibotta for 75 cents back, limit of 5, but you will get back $1.50. That will end up making them $1.49 or 75 cents each. The family size Oreo cookies are on sale for 2 for $10, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2, pay $10, and you get 2 back, making them $8 or $4 each. This deal is on Newton Fig Chewy cookies. They are on sale for 2 for $5, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2, pay $5, and you get 2 back, making them $3 or $1.50 each. 22-ounce Olay body wash are on sale for $7.99, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $15.98, pay the $15.98, and you get 4 back, making them $11.98 or $5.99 each. The next deal I have is on the soft soap liquid hand soap. They are on the deal of buy 2, get 3 back. Pick up 2, they are priced at $4.19 each. Both will total $8.38. Pay the $8.38 and you get 3 back, making them $5.38 or $2.69 each. Using the 5 off 20 CRT, you can combine the Olay body wash deal with the soft soap deal. Pick up 2 Olay body wash priced at $7.99 each and 2 soft soap hand soap priced at $4.19 each. These 4 items will total $24.36. Use the 5 off 20 CRT and you pay $19.36, get 4 back for the Olay and 3 back for the soft soap. That will end up making them $12.36 or $3.09 each. My next deal is on Garnier Fructis shampoos and conditioners. They are on sale for 2 for $8, and when you buy 2, you get 3 back. Pick up 2, use the 3 off 2 digital coupon, and you pay $5, get 3 back, making them $2 or $1 each. The next hair care deal I have is on L'Oreal Elvive shampoos and conditioners. They are on sale for $5.49, and when you buy 2, you get 5 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $10.98. Pay the $10.98 and you get 5 back, making them $5.98 or $2.99 each. Head and Shoulders shampoos and conditioners are on sale for $6.99, and when you buy 2, you get 5 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $13.98. Pay the $13.98 and you get 5 back, making them $8.98 or $4.49 each. The next deal I have is buy 2, get 4 back on Clairol hair colors. Pick up 2 Clairol Root Touch-Up priced at $9.99 each. The 2 will total $19.98. Use a 6 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $13.98, get 4 back, making them $9.98 or $4.99 each. OGX Hair Care is on sale for buy 1 get 1 40% off, and it's part of buy 2 get 2 back. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner priced at $8.69. With the buy 1 get 1 40% off, the first one will be full price and the second one will be $5.21. The 2 will total $13.90. Use a 6 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $7.90, get 2 back, making them $5.90 or $2.95 each. The 1.5 Listerine mouthwash is on sale for $8.99, and when you buy 1, you get 4 back. Pick up 1, pay $8.99 and you get 4 back, making it $4.99. 3-ounce Colgate Optic White Pro Series are on sale for $8.99, and when you buy 1, you get 3 back. Pick up 1, Use the $3 digital coupon and you pay $5.99, get 3 back, making it $2.99. My next deal is spend 15, get 5 back on Maybelline Cosmetics. Pick up one Maybelline lipstick priced at $8.79 and one Maybelline baby lips priced at $6.19. These two items will total $14.98, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 15. Use a 4 off Maybelline Extra Care coupon and also a 3 off 15 Maybelline CRT. The coupon and the CRT will take off $7 and you pay $7.98, get 5 back, making them $2.98 or $1.49 each. My next deal is spend 15, get 4 back on Vaseline lotions. Pick up one 20.3 ounce Vaseline lotion priced at $9.89 and a 10 ounce Vaseline lotion priced at $5.99. These two will total $15.88. Use a $2 off digital coupon and you pay $13.88, get 4 back, making them $9.88 or $4.94 each. Gillette Shave Foams are on sale for buy one get one 50% off, and it's part of buy 2 get 4 back. Pick up 2, they are priced at $3.79. With the buy one get one half off, the first one will be full price and the second one will be $1.90. These two will total $5.69. Pay the $5.69 and you get 4 back, making them $1.69 or 85 cents each. Skintimate and Chic disposable razors are on sale for 2 for $14, no extra care box back. Pick up 2, use a 5 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $9, making each just $4.50. My next deal is on Ajax Dish Liquid. They are on sale for buy one get one half off, and they are part of buy 2 get $2 back. Pick up 2, they are priced at $4.79, and with the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $2.40. These two will total $7.19. Use a $1 off Ajax digital coupon and you will pay $6.19, get 2 back, making them $4.19 or $2.10 each. Or you can pick up 2 Suavitel fabric conditioners on sale for buy one get one half off, and it's priced at $3.59. The first one will be full price and the second one will be $1.80. These two will total $5.39. Pay the $5.39 and you get 2 back, and that will make them $3.39 or $1.70 each. Febreze plug-in warmer is on sale for $3.99, no extra care box back. Pick up 1, use the $3.50 off digital coupon and you pay just 49 cents. Lysol disinfecting wipes and the Finish Powerball Ultimate tabs are on sale for buy one get one free, and when you buy 2 you get 3 back. This deal is a limit of 1, but I will share the 2 options. For the first option, pick up 2 11-count Finish Powerball Ultimate tabs. They are priced at $9.99, but they are on sale for buy one get one free. You will pay $9.99 and you get 3 back, making them $6.99 or $3.50 each. Or you can pick up 2 80-count Lysol disinfecting wipes priced at $10.79. They are on sale for buy one get one free, so you will pay $10.79 and get 3 back, making them $7.79 or $3.90 each. The next deal I have is spend 15 get 5 back. This deal is a limit of 1, and I also have 2 options. The first option is to pick up 3 Cottonelle flushable wipes priced at $4.99 each. The 3 will total $14.97. and that's within the 98% rule for spend 15. Pay $14.97 and you get 5 back, making them $9.97 or $3.32 each. The second option is to pick up 2 Cottonelle 9 Mega Roll Bath tissues on sale for $10.99 each. The 2 will total $21.98. Use a 2 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $19.98, get 5 back, making them $14.98 or $7.49 each. This ad does not have the spend 30 get 10 back on the laundry items, but there is a spend 20 get 4 back. And I have 3 options for you, but remember it's a limit of 1 per account per week, so pick whichever one that works for you. For the first option, pick up 1 Tide detergent on sale for $14.99 and 1 Tide pod on sale for $5.49. These 2 will total $20.48. Use a $3 digital coupon for the Tide detergent and a $1 off digital coupon for the Tide pod. The 2 coupons will take off $4 and you pay $16.48, get 4 back, making them $12.48 or $6.24 each. The second option is to pick up 1 Downy fabric softener on sale for $6.99 and 1 Tide pod on sale for $13.49. These 2 will total $20.48. Use a $3 digital coupon for the Tide Pod and a $1 off digital coupon for the Downy. The two coupons will take off $4 and you pay $16.48, get 4 back, making them $13.48 or $6.24 each. The third option is to pick up one Charmin bath tissue on sale for $9.99 and one Bounty paper towel on sale for $9.99. These two will total $19.98 and that's within the 98% rule for spend 20. Use a $1 off digital coupon for the Charmin and a $1 off digital coupon for the Bounty. The two coupons will take off $2 and you pay $17.98, get 4 back, making them $13.98 or $6.99 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support. I truly appreciate you all and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.